When it comes to keeping your pup clean, comfortable, and looking their best, Poochesnpals is one of the GTA's most trusted names in professional dog grooming. Our full grooming service is designed to give your dog the full spa experience. Suitable for small, medium, large, and extra large dogs. Our pricing plan is affordable. It depends on size and coat condition. What's included? Bath, drying ear care, nail trim, haircut, and optional aroma finish. Trust Poochesnpals to deliver top-tier grooming with care, compassion, and expert attention. Whether your dog needs a seasonal shave or a stylish new look, you're in good hands. Ready to pamper your pup? Visit us at Poochesnpals or get in touch today. Your furry friend deserves the best grooming experience. Book your appointment now.